hi guys, so this video is going to be all about my brush folio. So this is my brush folio by Priscilla Ono, and if you guys do not know Priscilla Ono, I can't come down hard on you, but if you don't know Priscilla Ono, you need to get your makeup game in order. Your makeup life needs to be situated and organized. Organized is what you need to do, boo. Priscilla Ono started out as a YouTuber. She used to do YouTube videos, and I was like, ooh, her colors. She reminds me of Makeup by Arlo. I forget her name, but she reminded me of her. Like they loved doing bold looks, nude lips. I mean, the eye makeup was just on flake basically for like all % of the time. So I noticed that she no longer did videos. I was like, where on earth is Priscilla? I don't get it. I can't find her nowhere on the YouTubes. Have to be watching these old videos. But she is a celebrity makeup artist. She is an educator as well, and I am saying this right now, I'm putting it out there, Lord Jesus, I really want to attend a Priscilla Ono class either the end of this year or next year, 2018. That's my dream. I'd love to be taught by her, Nick Posley. I don't know if Kevin O'Quan does classes, but Priscilla Ono is definitely on the top of my list to be taught by. She's even Matthias. You guys know about Matthias? Girl, like, what are you doing? What? I don't know. I don't understand it. What is your life? But she's definitely on the top of my list to be taught by. She's one who inspired me to have my students wear all black. Just how she does her classes, how organized, I mean her sponsors. She is, by the way, clean off a mirror, look dirty but you clean off. I love her. She is absolutely amazing, and as much as I can support or get something of her or whatever, I'm going to cop that. So I got the brush folio, yes, by Priscilla Ono. This is my personal one. Yes, Papito? Yeah, mommy doing a video. I'm doing a video. So this is my personal one, and I have 3 for my kit. I had gotten 1 initially, and that was just for my kit, but then after seeing how effective it was, I was like, nah boo, I need this for myself, honey. So I got 1 for myself and 2 more for my kit because I have so much brushes. And in my video that I did with I'm showing you guys makeup artist kit, I didn't show you guys my brush folio because I said if you want me to do a separate video on my, yes Papa, then I'm going to do a separate video on my setup, where I show you how I set up, how I get my stuff done, kind of like a BTS if you will. But definitely this has changed my life, changed how I set up, and it just looks so gosh darn sexy. Yes, these are all my brushes, and these aren't even the full gamut of my brushes. Like some of them dirty and some of them wash and put down, but these are my personal brushes. And everything of most of my brushes are put by Lyric. These white ones are Elf. These 2, wait, dirty. This and my MAC 224. So I have 2 MAC brushes, and I have some Elf brushes as well again. And I have BH Cosmetics and Motives Sedona Lace, this one. And yeah, so oh, and Bedallium tools. Let me give you guys a little secret. Bedallium tools and Sedona Lace are low-key, and MAC of course are low-key my favorite brushes besides my own brand. So these keep my brushes extremely organized. I don't know if they have knockoffs out there or whatever, but I know that Priscilla Ono patented this. It says brush folio by Priscilla Ono. I got the Priscilla Ono one because, as I say, I absolutely admire her. Just to be like, just to like work alongside her, to be one of her assistants would just be an amazing, I don't know. If you don't know who Priscilla Ono is, I don't know what you're doing, but yeah. So it closes like this, and then it can carry it around like this. Now what I was saying, the only downfall to this is that my kit isn't big enough to put it in there, because you guys have seen my makeup artist kit, and that is my kit. So I would have that, and then this like just strung over my shoulder, which I guess is comfy. But then I'm gonna have like 3 more, like 2 more strung over my shoulder, because I said I bought 3 of these for my kit and 1 for myself, so I have 4 in all, 1 for me, 3 for my kit. So they have to be like strung over, and then I have my makeup artist kit on this side. So it's like, you know, wobbling in, hey, you're a makeup artist? Nah, just a hair person, you know, or whatever. But this really keeps my brushes organized, And as you can see, I just don't have my brushes in there, but I also have like my liners, my eyeliners up there, my spoolie as well, which is a brush of course. But you can even get one for your like I have a lot of lippies and like lip glosses. You can get one straight for your lip glosses. So when you put out your stuff, oh my god, you look so organized with everything, and it just sets your makeup artist kit like on fire. It just sets the tone for, okay, the makeup artist is here. I don't got no brushes thrown about, but my stuff is organized. And I love the brush belt, or I used to love the brush belt, but I no longer own a brush belt. What I would do just work like from a little Zuka pack and just take my brushes out. But then getting this, I'm gonna tell you what's the difference I found with the brush belt. And I don't know, it may be because I was fat, but when I had the brush belt on, it will bend the brushes because I have them strapped on my belly, so by me hunching over and working, it will bend the bristles. You understand? So this does not do that. This just keeps everything upright. You're seeing every single brush. As I say, you can get one like for your lip kits, so you have your glosses up top and everything. You can get that done. I personalized my own BrushFolio, and I will not tell you here because some of y'all just want to know everything, but boy, ain't gonna happen. But I did share with you guys on my Snapchat, if you follow my Snapchat, how I personalized my my BrushFolio. It has completely changed how I do my makeup, my setup. I used to have my makeup, my brushes in like little cups, and when Jonathan is sleeping, every time I take out a brush, you hear like a, you know, like a little noise. But with my BrushFolio, I just take it out and there's no noise. Bubble. What's Jonathan on the buckle? Yes, Jonathan, baby. No, Papa, put back the bottle. Put back the bottle, baby. Put back the bottle, honey. Jonathan, put back the bottle. Put it back. So that's basically it. I won't go any longer about my BrushFolio by Priscilla Ono. Just know it's lit, it is worth the hype, and it is so gosh darn cheap. Y'all say reasonable, y'all say amazingly priced. I'm gonna say what it is, baby. It's cheap. It's $20. $20 US. 20. Some brush cups or brush rolls aren't even $20, or maybe they are, I don't know, but I think they're really reasonable, and it just sets my setup on. I love it. So I had to come by and let you guys know what's been going on, let you guys know my favorite makeup artist kit product so far, and I think I'll have this feel like a series, like different stuff that's in my kit that's my fave, and I'll just tell you guys my experience with them, and if you want to purchase it, you can very much go ahead. So that's it for this video. This is my review. My brushes fit nicely in the slots, except I had to personalize because I have more big brushes. Like the brushes on top here that are bigger, they're not made to come this far, they're just made to stop here. But I personalized mine where I can fit my bigger brushes up here, and I also did it for about 3 of them here, so I can fit my bigger brushes, because I have mostly bigger brushes than I do face brush eye brushes. I have more face brushes than I do eye brushes. Alright, so that's basically, and I have brushes at my yard. I have brushes dirty, like I would need another BrushFolio for myself. I would need 2 BrushFolios to house all my makeup brush collection. Plus I have more brushes coming. That will be at Fontana Pharmacy within a month or so, and I'm going to need more space as well. So I know that me having 3 BrushFolios for makeup artist kit is no. I'm probably gonna need 2 more because I have a lot of brushes. But that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye. I almost said thanks, Priscilla, but I just realized I'm not sponsored. I bought it with my money. So